Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen. If you want to become a member of the Potato Squad, subscribe down there. Today we are making potato salad. We're going to do a little bit of a Mexican spin on it. This is going to be a super quick recipe because we're actually headed to a potluck later today. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to put all your potatoes in your bowl here. So we got a bigger bowl because we had some technical difficulties. We had too many potatoes. I mean, there's never such a thing as too many potatoes, but the bowl couldn't handle the amount of potatoes. So we got another bowl. You're going to want to add your yellow onion. You could also use red onion. This is just what I had on hand. We've got some celery here. This is about 4 stalks of celery. And then we've also got a can of corn. And one orange and 1 red pepper. And then we're also going to add, this is kind of like to your preference. I'm going to say probably about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of the Hellmann's vegan mayo, or you can use Vegenaise. If you want it to be a little bit healthier, you can even blend some tofu and do it that way as well. I know a lot of people who do that, but it's also your preference, however much mayo you want to add. And we've also got some lemon juice. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. And this is a secret ingredient. My friend Maddie, my girl, bought me this. It's from Mexico. This is just an optional ingredient. If you can't find it, then you don't have to use it. But we're going to add that in there. About 2 tablespoons of that. And salt and pepper. I like a lot of pepper in my potato salad. It gives it a little bit of a bite. And we're going to put a little bit of garlic powder. I'd say about a tablespoon. And we've got some cumin as well. About another tablespoon of that. And another optional ingredient, we're just going to add some chili flakes to your preference. And then we're going to mix this all together. And I will show you when it's all incorporated. Evenly incorporated, it looks amazing. I love all these colors for summer, it's so fresh. And we already took a thumbnail photo, so it looks all pretty. And I'll do a taste test for you guys. Try and get everything in here. A little bit of corn, a little bit of celery, some potatoes. The lemon juice and the tahini really give it like a really nice summery flavor that I like. Super good. Highly recommend you guys try this. If you try this, you can tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is going to be